You are welcome to ABC Creative Art TV. Please join me in this art tutorial as I draw an irrigation canal on a piece of white paper using 2B and 5B pencils. Let's write on. If you admire this drawing in progress, you are welcome to support the channel with a subscription and a like on this video. Do also share this video link with your family and friends to watch and do the same. Thank you. an irrigation canal. When you have carefully watched this video from beginning to the end, get your art materials and create your own drawing. You can do it. We truly believe in your ability to get it right with consistent practice. Congratulations to you in advance. We also thank you so much for subscribing to our channel and liking our videos as they drop. Thank you also for sharing our video links with your family and friends to watch and do same. See you in the next video. Bye.